How would you like to have a snake in your bedroom? You can make one using just 2 sheets of cardboard, some sticky tape, a pen and a pair of scissors. And here's what you do. You begin by cutting out 2 long strips of cardboard, no wider than 1 centimetre, and they should be at least 30 centimetres long. And it's more fun if you use 2 pieces of cardboard of different colour. I've used green and yellow. Now, you place them together. In fact, you must stick them together. And you can use, for this, either glue or, as I'm going to, a piece of sticky tape. So I'll place that down on one piece. That's the head end. You probably guessed that anyway. And then very carefully fold them over so that they line up exactly. Now I've put the green one over the yellow, line them up, press them down, and it's ready to start construction. Now to do that, you first of all draw in the face of the snake. So we'll try and make him look fairly friendly. There's his bottom jaw, and here's his top jaw. There are his fangs, nasty looking fangs, but he's really a good friend. And here's his head joining down onto his body. Nice big happy eye. We'll curve his mouth upwards just a little bit to make it look as if he's smiling. Right, that's the head of the snake. Then with your scissors, you cut out the head so that it's now continuous with the body. Just bring him along here, up over the top of his head. And if you want to get fancy, you can even cut around his fang and so on. I won't right now. I'll just take him down there, down the front of his fang, and then under his chin. There he is there. And you do, of course, need to do the same thing on the other side. I'll do that later on. Now comes the interesting part, making the snake's body. And to do that, you take the top strip of cardboard and you bend it upwards in that position there. And then you bend the other colour across. Now you've got the yellow up and the green going to the side. Now I fold the yellow down, green across. Yellow up, green across, yellow down, green across. And you keep doing this until you've gone all the way along the body of the snake. Now you may have made this sort of device before, not a snake but streamers for decorating at a party. Sometimes it's called a Jacob's ladder when you take 2 strips of paper or streamers and fold them in this way. Very easy to make, but in this case we happen to end up with something that's quite decorative. You can put it on your mantelpiece or on your bedside table or anywhere you like. When you get to the end like that, you need to stop it from unravelling, so what you need to do is to just tuck the ends in, fold it across on an angle, push it in like that, and then press it down, then it won't unravel. There we are there. And then you simply undo it, like a concertina or a piano accordion. Twist it as you do that to try and make the body as long as you can. There we are. Looks nice and colourful with the 2 contrasting colours. You can twist him, you can make him bend up and down if you like, or side to side, and sit him on your mantelpiece, and you've got a friendly little chap to decorate your bedroom.
I want to know. Curiosity.